Well, after some morning clouds, we had plenty of sunshine this afternoon, but we are seeing some clouds off towards the west. Here's a live look over Honda of Lincoln. Seeing those clouds off in the distance. We'll increase clouds a little bit over the next several hours, but in the overnight hours, I do anticipate mostly clear skies. 42 degrees right now in the capital city. Seems to be the warm spot on the map. 40 degrees in Omaha, 36 in Nebraska City, 39 in Beatrice, 39 as well in Grand Island, 37 degrees the current temperature in Hastings and in Kearney. Compare this to this time 24 hours ago. It actually feels, I guess, somewhat nice. I would call this chilly, but compared to yesterday, it doesn't feel quite as chilly. 19 degrees compared to where we were 24 hours ago in the capital city. Now, as we mentioned, we do have some clouds starting to move into the area. You can see them very faintly right there. You may have a hard time seeing it, but they are there. We just saw them on the Honda of Lincoln camera. Looking off towards the south, these were the clouds that were with us this morning, and there are some more clouds off towards the northwest, moving towards the southeast. So it's conceivable that we'll have to increase cloud cover over the next several hours. And in fact, I forgot to update this little icon right here. I think it'll be partly cloudy for the next several hours, and then as we get into the overnight hours, it'll be mostly clear. 19 degrees, evening clouds clearing in the overnight hours. I did remember to update this icon, however, mostly clear skies on Wednesday. Some afternoon clouds will arrive, but 51 degrees, so slightly warmer for our Wednesday. Winds out of the south and southeast, maybe gusting upwards of 20 miles per hour at some moments in time. So over the next 2 days, again, 51 for your Wednesday, mostly clear. Increasing clouds slightly on Thursday, 56 degrees. That's probably our warmest day this week because we have a little hiccup on Friday. If you look at your weather app on your phone, you might see a little snowflake icon in Lincoln this evening, and temperatures drop on Friday. Here's the thing, meteorologists aren't too big fans of the weather app. Here's what the weather app will not tell you. Who sees the most snow? The more snow is likely to the north. I do have a little more confidence in Lincoln seeing some snow on Friday, and we'll outline that with Stormcast in just a moment. When is it possible? Friday afternoon and into Friday evening. I think we'll likely be dry in Lincoln Friday morning. How impactful will it be? I think it'll be a low impact event for Lincoln. Just keep in mind as you're going out and about driving Friday evening, this is the first snow of the season. So here's a look at Stormcast. We're looking at this area of low pressure in Colorado very early Friday. Could see some snow in the Panhandle regions as early as midnight. Throughout much of Friday morning, the northern part of the state could be seeing snow, but it looks like we're going to be dry in the southeast part of the state for now. Right now, it looks like we may start to see some precipitation in the afternoon hours. If that is the case, we may be close enough to this area of low pressure where it throws some warm air our way. In that event, we may see a wintry mix or maybe even just a little bit of actual rain to start, but as this low pressure system pulls away from us, it's looking like we'd see snow on the tail end of this system. As the system pulls away closer towards 11 o'clock midnight Friday, we'll start to see the last of the snow in Nebraska. We are dry by Saturday. Again, just as a qualitative representation of who will see the most snow, the farther north you are, the more likely you are to see some snow. So here's a look at our 10-day forecast. Dry on Wednesday and Thursday, mostly clear Wednesday, 51 degrees. Again, our warmest day on Thursday, partly cloudy skies, but 39 degrees on Friday with some afternoon and evening snow possible in the capital city. Tomorrow, I think, is when we'll have a little bit more confidence to put an actual snowfall accumulation forecast out, so stay tuned for that. Dry on Saturday. We're going to have snow on the ground in our forecast, so that's going to have a cooling effect on our temperature, so we'll go 38 on Saturday, but sunny skies, that should work on some of the snow a little bit, 48 on Sunday, and as things stand now, it gets really warm next week, potentially breaking some records by midweek.